దర్శన రాజేంద్రన్ గారిని మాట్లాడవలసిందిగా రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం. మా కోసం ఇడియప్పం తెచ్చారా? ఇడియప్పం.
I'll bring for you next time.
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఎస్, వెల్కమ్ టు టాలీవుడ్.
Thank you so much. Next time I come, I will speak in Telugu. For now, please let me express everything I have to say in English. For once, thank you so much for the love and this energy. I have not seen anything like this before. This is very, this is very, very new to me. So thank you very, very much. For me, I think this film, when Praveen got in touch with me, I think there was something about Cinema Bandi that was just, there was so much heart in that film that I knew that this person is all heart. And I knew I took a good call, and I'm glad I did the film, because it all through this, it's that lovely heart that took us through this film. And like, we've had our differences, he's given us a space to fight it out and say, no, that's wrong, no, this is right. And that's not very, you don't get that too often. So thank you so much, Praveen, for letting me tell you that I don't agree. And like, I'm not going to say that line. And there were 10 times where that happened, and he would listen to me and try and find out why that line wouldn't come from my mouth. So yeah, thank you so much for being that director to all of us, for seeing this. I remember there was one time when we were on the mountain, and he was directing Anupama in a scene, and I saw, like, he was just narrating the story, and there were tears in his eyes, and I saw the passion with which he was doing this, and how much love that was going into making this film. And even when he got in touch with me, it was just something, you don't hear too many stories about women. I mean, not just in Telugu, everywhere. If you count, there are very few. And with films, it's just so difficult, right? Like, there's so much to happen for a film like telling a story about women to like get money, get all of this. So for him to take such a brave choice and decide that these are my 3 lead actors, and I wanted to be part of that. So, and I'm so glad that I chose to do it, and that I'm here today. Vijay sir, like he said, like everybody said, that like, if you didn't support this wouldn't happen. So thank you so much. I hope there are many more of you in the industry. I hope we hear many more stories about women. For me, all of my life, my female friendships, like, they're the reason I survive. They're the reason I live. I live because I have my girlfriends, and I've never gotten to experience that sort of like that bond in films. Like, I don't get to do it. I get like glimpses of it. But in this film, I got 2 girlfriends, and I was partying it up with them through all of shoot. And they were my Telugu teachers, they were my like makeup people, they were my, they would like randomly come and put some blush on my cheek sometimes. So they were just, I came alone to set, and they and their people, there were like always about 50 people looking out for me on this. I really felt like I feel like I have a home here, and thank you so much for that. Thank you to, I'm not going to name everyone, but thank you, all of you. Like, I had such a beautiful experience with this film, and not just people here, but I see names, I see faces here and here and here. Thank you so much for looking out for me and helping me in every way to do this. You saw me drive into today. I learned to drive for this film, and I was driving on top of mountains and saying Telugu lines that I was just like, I had spent hours trying to remember. So there's a lot going on for me, but it happened because we had such a lovely team, and everyone just like made it happen. So I hope you all see the magic that we all experienced with this film. I really hope that this is successful, that there are many more stories like this that we hear. And yeah, I hope I get to see you in a Telugu film again. Thank you so much, and love you all. Thank you very much.
థ్యాంక్ యూ దర్శన గారు, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.